Assalamualaikum guys. Okay, in this intro video, I'm going to cover 4 questions for you guys. The one is, what are you going to learn in this course? So yeah, that would be the one. And yeah, that's actually the good one. So because you obviously need to know what are you going to learn before hopping into the course and watch the entire video. I think it's about 12 or 13 hours or something. So yeah, that's very long. And the second thing, what will you be able to do by the end of this course? So yeah, that's actually the second question. What skill set and what experience throughout the course you will be getting, and what you will be able to do or perform, by the end of this course. So yeah, you need to know that as well. So in this video, I'm actually going to show you on the screen, what I'm going to, what you will be learning throughout the process. And the third question that I will be answering in this intro video. Why am I the right person to teach you guys, and what makes me the good, and what experience do I have and all that. So okay, that's the third question. And the fourth question will be, will this course going to be engaging and all. Okay, so yeah, that's actually going to be very engaging because we are going to create an entire new store from the scratch, from beginning stage to the advanced level. So by the end of this course, you will have a website of your own, and you will be running your dropshipping store if you want to, or the e-commerce store. And the fifth thing, I will be showing you the basic course outline, so you will get the idea to if this course is for you or not. Thanks, guys. Let's hop in my desktop screen. Assalamualaikum guys. Okay, so we are on our desktop right now, and I'm going to cover these 4 questions, and lastly I'm going to show you the course outline, so you will get the basic idea, how this is going to be performed. And the first thing first, this complete course is in Urdu. So yeah, Urdu and Hindi is the same thing, the same language, just writing difference, I believe. So yeah, this entire course is in Urdu or Hindi language. So for those of you who are looking for the course in English language, sorry, that's not for you guys. And so yeah, I'm going coming back to the questions. So the first one, what are you going to learn in this course? So yeah, this was the first question. The first, I'm going to answer these one by one. I have it written already. So you will have a depth knowledge of the whole e-commerce and dropshipping model and how things are working. So by the end of this course, what are you going to learn in this course? So these are the 4 points that you will be learning basically. First, you will have a depth knowledge. You will gain the depth knowledge of the dropshipping and e-commerce stores, and how things are working in these websites. And we will be creating a dropshipping website on WordPress from scratch, so you will learn that as well. So yeah, that's actually the plus. So because in this entire course, I will be creating a website from the scratch of dropshipping model. So you will be learning that as well from and I will be creating it on the WordPress. So yeah, that's going to be fun. And the third thing. Yeah, you will have the great, you will have a depth idea and the knowledge, how to do the product research, and how to find the right drop shipper and all. So yeah, that's actually the third thing. And the fourth part, how to run and manage the whole e-commerce store of your own. So yeah, that answered the first question. The second question is, what will you be able to do by the end of this course? So what skill set and you will get by the end of this course. So I've summarized the answer in these 3. So let's actually go over this. You will be able to create a dropshipping store over WordPress platform entirely of your own. So yeah, that's actually the plus, because we will be creating a whole store from the scratch. So yeah, you will get that. So you will get that skill as well. You will be able to create an e-commerce website on WordPress like the one I'm showing you on the screen, and way better than this one. Okay, let me actually show you the website that we will be creating. That's not actually entirely done yet, but yeah, you can see how good it is, and hopefully you will get an idea. So by the end of this course, you will be able to create this kind of website, and yes, this looks amazing. Currently these pictures are similar and all, but yeah, you will get the idea how things are going to be. So let me actually show you one of the product page. So you see, this is the product page, and these are the description and reviews and everything. So yeah, these all stuff you're going to be learning in this course, and you will have a depth knowledge how things are going to be. Let me actually show you another page. Sorry. Yeah, this one as well. So this is a landing page for a single product that we created on this within this course. So yeah, as you can see, the layout is structured very properly, and the whole review thing, and everything is layout very perfectly and nicely done. So, and you will get the basic idea how you can easily make this kind of product landing page, which is really amazing. And yep, so yeah, I think that's going to be really fun. Okay, so the third thing, you will be able to get e-commerce business online or take benefit of. Okay, yeah, so this is the third thing. Two benefits for you. One, you will either end up having your running your own e-commerce store. That's good. Second, there are like dozens of job opportunities out there relevant to e-commerce and dropshipping models, so you will be take advantage of those opportunities as well. So yeah, that answers the two question. I'm going to move to the third one. You know, who am I and why am I the right person? Okay, so currently, mashallah, I'm earning about 6 to 7 figures in PKR, not the US dollar. So yes, still 6 to 7 figures is a lot of money. And second thing, I have a lot of experience as because my father used to have a eBay and Amazon store from my earlier stage. So yeah, I have learned a lot from him. And the third thing, currently I'm managing 20 plus different agencies of, software house agencies and digital marketing agencies as their outsource agency. So I have a team of my own of 20 plus members. So yeah, I have a deep and I have a great knowledge in this area. And yep, the fourth thing, I have 10 plus year experience in this whole IT field. So yeah, I'm actually going to be providing you a lot of deep value, and hopefully this is going to work very well. So in the fifth one, I'm actually going to show you some crazy stats, and hopefully if you know what you're seeing, you will be amazed by the ad spend that I have done so far. So this is the FB screen. I'm actually going to hide all the sensitive information that's on the page, but I'm just going to show you the ad spend and all that. So I'm just going to refresh this page in front of you guys so you guys can see there is nothing going on with inspect element or anything. So as you can see, the whole ad spend and everything's let me show you the campaign. So these are all currently running, and see the amount spent and all that, and there's a total ad spend, ad sets and ads. If you are familiar with the FB ads, you know what you're seeing. So now let me actually show you Google AdWords, and this is going to be really amazing for you guys as well. So you see the cost of these ads. I'm going to blur out the campaign name and the all the sensitive information on this page, obviously, but I'm just going to show you the cost so you can get the idea how much ad spend I have done so far. Okay, now the fourth question, will this course going to be fun and engaging? Yes, everything is going to be live and creating in front of you from the scratch. So yeah, it's going to be amazing. So from the scratch, from the A stage to Z stage, I'm going to be showing you everything. So yeah, this is going to be really fun. So the course outline thing, the fifth one, I'm actually going to show you the basics. So this is the course mind manager that we will be following. So what is this course all about? In this section, I will be covering up what you will be learning, and who should consider starting out, and how to get most out of this course, and who should do this course, and how, the whole how process, how much what things are going to be necessary. As you guys can see, this is really deep and really engaging. So yeah, hopefully you will have a lot of fun watching this course. Thanks guys, bye bye.